so fucking precious when you smile.
Millennium. Oh my god, I look sexy. And it is what's up, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. And if you wanna, I'm gonna show y'all how to do this hairstyle. If you wanna know how to do it, just watch the video. I mean, it's gonna be part. And to do my edges.
Yeah, Song-Armon and Trey. Riding around in my whip, listening to my shit. She wanna hit track 6. She told me that's her. Every girl said I got the title. Got a nigga feeling like Michael Jackson. Jordan, better than me, they both.
If I let my bed on guard, but you still love me. If I minimize my net worth, but you still love me. Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than 2. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got now. I'm on the way, we ain't got no time to waste. Poppin', you come on the way, am I in the way? No more pressure, you none, I want your blessing today. Oh, by the way, open the door, by the way. Told you that I'm on the way, I'm on the way. I know connection is big, pick up the phone for me, babe.
If you have my love and I
yeah,
just would you come find me?
Would you come? I'm done with these bitches. I don't love these bitches. I dust off these bitches. I do it for fun. Don't take it personally. I'm surprised you called me after things that I said.
Skirt on bitches. I don't know these bitches. Take that on these bitches. I do it for fun. Don't take it personal. Love on my ladies. Love to my ladies.
Your boo, I might just feel on your babe. Her nigga you feel like a leg. I wanna swim with my face. I'm like, okay, I'll let her get what she wants. I'll buy her East on the run. Ain't in the whip. When I go past his horse, I got the truck in the front.
Yeah.
Guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And tell me if you tried this hairstyle. Peace.